Sea glass, also known as drift glass, is weathered glass found on beaches along bodies of salt water. Many artisans use the glass to craft jewellery, stained glass, or other decorative pieces. Hobbyists will often try and trace the history of their sea glass collections, which can be done by studying the colour, composition, and the location it was found. Glass bottles often held gas bubbles, impurities, and irregularities, all of which can help to determine the age of the glass. Authentic sea glass comes from broken bottles, broken tableware, and even remnants of shipwrecks. The broken glass is rolled and tumbled in the ocean for years until all of the sharp edges are rounded off. Eventually, the glass loses its slick surface and gains a frosted appearance. Some pieces of sea glass have taken as many as 100 to 200 years to acquire its characteristic texture and shape. Sea glass can be found all over the world. In some spots, there are even entire beaches of glass, like this one in Vladivostok, Russia, which was formed after years of dumping old vodka, wine, and beer bottles, along with jars and ceramics during the Soviet era. Unfortunately, due to collectors, tourists, and the continuing natural erosion of the glass, these beaches have a limited time before they disappear. Authentic sea glass is becoming rarer and harder to find. More people are actively searching for it, and the shift to other materials, such as plastic for containers, has greatly reduced the number of glass containers dumped in the sea. The existing sea glass on beaches also never stops eroding, so it will continue to do so until it is as small as a piece of sand. This scarcity has led to some artisans and crafters tumbling poorer pieces of sea glass shards to create what is called twice-tossed glass, while others create artificial sea glass, or craft glass, from ordinary glass pieces using a rock tumbler. Authentic pieces will not be perfectly shaped, unlike artificial sea glass. Glass from inland waterways is known as beach glass. It is similar to sea glass, but in the absence of wave tumbling and the salt content of the ocean, beach glass is typically less weathered and more shard-like. The most common colours of sea glass are Kelly green, brown, white, and clear. These colours predominantly come from glass bottles used by companies that sell beer, juices, and soft drinks. There seems to be some debate about which colours of sea glass are the rarest. Consistently, the top 6 are orange, turquoise, yellow, red, dark purple, and black.